Hello everyone, my name is Nikita Keshav Khande and today my subject is the object life cycle in Java. So now we'll discuss about the object life cycle in Java. We should know the object life cycle is the born is used to the at the end of the method. There are following step name in a Java life cycle is used to the follows. Then there are seven types of the there are seven methods following in the life cycle in Java. First is the creation of the class on disk, then second is the looking of the initialization of them into the memory, then looking initializes static member of the method class, then way to initializes our class in Java, then allocation of the memory for object that used in a reference of the constructor, then calling of the constructor of a class, then removing all method object and variable from the memory. First discuss about the creation of a class on disk. As you know that born in Java is run the Java virtual machine. When we create the compile time is the transform code platform independent and compile are stored in a .class file on a disk. Then discuss about the second method, loading class into the memory. After that Java runtime find the class on the disk that used in a .class file. Then third is looking for initialization static member of a class. Now Java is all initialization method, static member and class subclass, static method, static field and static block. Then discuss about way to initialization class in Java. A class can be initialization of the method is used to the access the static when object or instance of the class is used to the created new keyword as the initialization of the method. Then discuss about the allocation of the memory object is the variable. In a stage of the Java member is used to the object and memory stack of the object reference variable. Then discuss about the string to the constructor of the class. Allocation of the memory is used to the JVM called the constructor like method, but it is called the once object is created. Then once object is created, then discuss about the removing all object reference variable from memory. Then when an accessing field and method is used to the completely object its reference removed by the memory by the Java virtual machine at the time of object. So this is from my side. Thank you all of you.